this is Melissa from Buckeye Girls Decor and Lifestyle. This is my shopping haul from Kroger's this week. Missions Tortillas is originally carb balance is originally $5.20. There was an 80 cents off coupon, making them $4.48. Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner is originally $5.24. There was a dollar off coupon and a 50 cents off coupon. The pork chops were buy one get one. Lay's is originally $3.99. They were on sale plus an 80-cent coupon. Okay, there was the ice cream was $2.99 at regular price, and it was a 20-cent off coupon. The shredded cheese, there was a dollar off coupon and a 40-cent coupon, making it $1.29. The Kroger's barbecue sauce, the reason I got 4 was it was on sale plus their 30 cents, which made it 79 cents. In total, I got $36 and 76 cents in coupons and savings, because I also received $5 for doing a pickup order.